save our land. This is not for sale, please understand. Peaceful homes torn down for roads, broken dreams, heavy loads. No going as for this pain, only power, only gain. Leaders speak, but hearts are blind. They leave our people far behind. Who gave permission? Who signed the line? This land was yours, this land was mine. Concrete dreams, greedy plans, killing go out with their hands. Save our Goa, hear our cry. We raise our voice, they silence us. Why? Truth and change, justice slow. Criminals free, where do they go? Save our Goa, don't destroy our beach, our village, our soul, our joy. No more malls, no more lies. Goa is a living, not a prize. We speak the truth, we get arrested. Justice mocked, freedom tested. Rapists roam, murderers free. Law and order, where can it be? Every day the danger grows. Fear replaces what we know. Children ask, will we be safe? Silence answers full of hate. Protect the rich, arrest the poor. This is not what laws are for. Power drunk, morality dead. Goa bleeds while leaders spread. Save our Goa, hear our cry. We raise our voice, they silence us. White truth and change, justice slow. Criminals free, where do they go? Save our Goa, don't destroy our beach, our village, our soul, our joy. No more malls, no more lies. Goa is a living, not a prize. This is our home, not a business plan. Not your profit, not your land. We don't need projects built on fear. We need our future clean and clear.